BlockCast brings AI-powered prediction market to Africa by solving the biggest barrier, the costs. Using Perplexity Sonar and Google Gemini, we've built the first oracle that costs 2 cents instead of $50. Platforms like Polymarket and Numa Optimistics Oracle exclude African users. Why? Resolution costs $50 to $500 per market. Transaction fee consumes small bets. And 24 to 48 hours resolution kills the experience. When your average trade is $1 to $5, this platform simply won't work. BNB chain delivers 80 times cheaper prediction markets. At BlockCast, creating a market costs 60 cents instead of $50, while the total user journey will cost 80 cents on BlockCast versus $65 to $300 on Ethereum. This is why we chose the BNB chain. Let's now see BlockCast in action. First, a user creates a prediction market. They enter the question, select a category from a predefined list, and set an expiration date. Behind the scenes, our factory smart contract using Solidity and Open Zeppelin library is there for security. The contract requires a small 0.001 BNB spam prevention deposit, which is about 60 cents. The factory contract generates then a unique market ID using KICAC 256 hashing of the question, timestamp, and creator address. These ensure every market is uniquely identifiable on-chain. The transaction is now confirming on BNB chain testnets. Gas fee are minimal, around 10 cents, and there it is. Market was just created. Before the user are able to trade, an admin reviews the market for quality control. This prevents spam, scam markets, and ensure questions are clear and verifiable. Our admin manager smart contract uses role-based access control with 2 tiers: super admin for critical functions and admin for market approval. The admin is now approving the markets. The approval updates the market status from submitted to open in our Superbase database, while the on-chain contracts track the state change. This hybrid approach, blockchain for immutability and database for the fast querying, gives us the best user experience. Transaction confirmed, the market is now live and ready for trading. Now the user finds the newly approved market and places a prediction. They are stacking 50 cast in this case on yes. Our AMM-based pricing uses a constant product formula with virtual liquidity of 1,000 yes and 1,000 no share. This prevents early price manipulation. Each bet means an ERC721 NFT position. Your bet becomes a tradable NFT, allowing user to exit position early by selling onto our marketplace, something that traditional prediction market. The contract tracks slippage protection with 5% default tolerance. The transaction is now on BSC scan. You can see the bets written directly to the prediction market contract. The contracts emit a shared with all the details. In the portfolio dashboard, users track everything in real time: profits, loss, active position, and their betting history. So now here is where BlockCast innovates. When AI resolution confidence is below 80%, markets automatically enter 48 hours evidence collection periods. Users submit proof to help resolve uncertain outcomes with screenshots, news article, or official documents. All evidence uploads to IPFS using the IPFS HTTP client library for immutable, decentralized storage. The IPFS hash is stored on-chain and in our Superbase database evidence table with several information such as the submitter address, timestamp, evidence type. This creates a tamper-proof audit trail. On the admin side, all community-submitted evidence is visible. Admins can view any IPFS stored documents or screenshot from the distributed network. After the 48 dispute periods, our evidence resolution service compiles all the user's evidence and rerun its AI resolution. The service called Perplexity Sonar API with enhanced context the original question plus community evidence. We have built a sophisticated admin panel, as you can see on the screen now. It shows the complete market lifecycle. Open markets are actively accepting bets. Markets in pending resolution are waiting for AI analysis after expiry. And then the evidence collection markets are in that 48 hours window where community can dispute them. This transparency builds trust. Everything is verifiable on-chain and through our Block Explorer integration. BlockCast unlocks prediction market for 54 million African crypto users. We've deployed production-ready smart contracts on BNB chain testnets. Our AI oracle is reliable and low cost, and our IPFS-backed evidence make dispute transparent and decentralized. This isn't just a cheaper poly market, it's prediction market designed for African economies. Built from the Ivory Coast, Ghana, Morocco, and Nigeria, we understand the problem because we live it. Prediction market for the next generation. Try BlockCast now.